Hi friends, welcome back to Python Programming with Akash. Today we will write a program to find the number of spaces in a string. For that we will have to traverse through the whole string character by character. To do that we will use the for loop. Let's take a look at the program now. First, we will write a comment that tells us what this program is about, and therefore the comment hashtag program to find the number of spaces in a string. Now we have to have the user input as a string. I will store it in a variable string, and therefore the command string is equal to input enter the string. To traverse through all the characters of the string, we will use the for loop and the statement for I in string. Here, string is the variable that contains my user input. Now, we need to find the number of spaces inside the string. So, we will have to count that value and place it somewhere. For that, we will use a variable counter and will provide an initial value 0 to it before the loop, and thus the statement counter is equal to 0. Now, to actually check the spaces, we will use the if condition and thus the statement if I equal to single space in double quotes. In addition to this, we have to increment the variable counter by 1 in case this if condition becomes true. So, we will put the statement counter equal to counter plus 1 inside the if block. And finally, outside the for loop at the end, to display the number of spaces, we will write the statement print number of spaces is counter. So this was the program. Let's execute this in Python now. I already have a file open. Hashtag program to find the number of spaces in a string. String equal to input enter the string. Counter equal to 0 for I in string if I equal to single space counter equal to counter plus 1 print number of spaces is counter. Let us run this now. We are learning Python. So this is the string that I have entered here. There are 3 spaces, one after V, one after R and one after the word learning. So the number of spaces should come as 3 in this case. We are getting the correct output. Let's run this again for another string. I'll put a single space at the start of the string as well as at the end of the string. First space, my name is Akash. Again another space. So this time there are a total of 5 spaces. One at the starting before my, one after the word my, one after the word name, one after the word is, and the last one after the name Akash. So a total of 5 spaces. Let's check. So we are getting the correct output. So our program is running perfectly. It traverses through the whole string through the for loop. Then we check for each character that it is a space or not, and if this condition is true, then we increment a variable counter by 1. And finally, after the for loop, we print the value of this counter as the number of spaces. I hope that you were able to understand this program easily. If you don't understand anything, do mention it in the comments. I will come back to you in no time to resolve your problems. You will also find links to some other relevant videos and playlists in the description box of this video. You can refer them too. Now, I want you to do something for me. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then go and hit the subscribe button right away. Also, there is a notification bell alongside the subscribe button. Click that too. It will enable you to get notifications of any videos on my channel so that you do not miss anything here. Give a like to this video too. Now we have come to the end of the video. I will be back with more videos to help you learn programming. Until then, bye.